Hey guys, my handheld vacuum has just arrived. I wanted to show you the unboxing video just to see what does it contain. It looks pretty good from the outside of the box. So let's see what's inside. Oh, it comes with this. We have here kind of cover or something, and we have a charger. We have a filter. We have a small bag if you want to keep it there. We also have an extra brush and our vacuum cleaner. As you can see, we have another filter there, ready to use. Looks pretty good. We have here another brush. We have a USB. This should be like an extra one, or probably that is to charge it with your. This is for your car, and this is to use it at home. So let's see if we have enough battery to use it. Okay, we have, and we have two. I think I know what it is. Let's try with this. So here we have pressure, air pressure. And also we can use this. Sorry about that. So I have the extensor, and we can go into deep spaces in your car or in your carpet, anywhere you want it. So this looks pretty good. You can see we have traction. So powerful. Actually, you can see the power there. So I would definitely recommend to get one of these. The price is reasonable, and it is a very good machine.